I think I found something really amazing for you guys. So if you want to start a dropshipping store, or if you are on the lookout for a new business opportunity or want to make some money on the side, and yeah, so why not start with a dropshipping store? And here I am currently on the site or on the page from AliDropship, and they have at the moment a really cool offer. So they built a completely dropshipping store for you for zero cost, and you can test the dropshipping store out for 2 or 3 weeks, I think. And if you like the store and if you want to continue with the dropshipping store or dropshipping model at all, then yeah, you can take fully control over it, and then you can start expanding this. So, and also here you can see you will also get a complete Amazon business for free at the moment. So, and the good thing here is that you are not working with AliExpress. So you are not sourcing the products from China and then import it, for example, to the United States or to other countries, United Kingdom, something like this, because yeah, right now with the tariff situation that the US imposed on China, for example, all these products that you can sell here are already in the United States, and this is or in other countries, and this is the good thing here. So you can sell at a really low price. You can sell here at a really good price. And because yeah, the articles are already in the United States, for example, let's stay with the United States for this example. And then yeah, you can or they will build the store for you. You can tell them which product categories you want to import, and yeah, which products and which niche you want your store in, and then they will build everything for you, make everything working. You can set your payment method, and when somebody orders from your store, then they will send it out from yeah, the United States warehouse. They will send out the products to your customers, and yeah, you will get the margin between the selling price and the stock price from Selvia. And yeah, so here you can see a few examples of the store. So I think the stores look really good, look really professional. And also, of course, when you these stores are built with WordPress and WooCommerce, and if you want to make later on any changes, yeah, you can do any changes to the store. If you want to change images, if you want to add some categories, or want to add something on the main homepage, for example, or you want to change the layout, the design, you can do this, of course. So this is the good thing here. They will build the foundation for you, they will build the store, and then you can test it out. And if you want later on to customize this, and yeah, to change images, to change the layout, then yeah, you can absolutely do this. Here you can see a Christmas themed store. If you want to go in the Christmas niche, I think this is a really good niche, then yeah, you can do this. And the great thing, of course, they have a really huge warehouse in the United States, and you can source from thousands and thousands of different products, different categories. Here, for example, Christmas, what's this, car accessories or electronic accessories, or Halloween is also a really good niche. And if you want to sell clothing, you can do this. They have a ton of different clothing articles. Here you can see a top-notch online store, and also I will put the link to this website, to this offer, in the video description down below. So go to the video description, and there you will find the link to this offer. And here you can see top-notch online stores, fully hosted standalone e-commerce website, domain name is inclusive, and SSL certificate is included here. Professional design, you will get yeah, a really good looking professional design, everything built for you, so that you don't have the hassle to create the store. So maybe if you don't have time to build your store, or you don't have the technical knowledge in order to create the store, They will do everything for you. You can, when they build the store, you can take over and then you can start selling right away. I think they are also doing the technical or the SEO optimization for you, I think. And then, yeah, thousands of bestseller products. You can import your own payment method, for example, a credit card with Stripe, a credit card, debit card with Stripe, PayPal, and all the payment methods. Because yeah, it is WooCommerce WordPress, so you you have all the options for including your different payment methods. Then you will get a personal manager, support if you have any questions, if there's something wrong with your store. Then yeah, you can reach out to them, and then you can ask them questions. Or if you have general questions about the business model, about dropshipping, about your store, if something is not working, then you have always someone who you can talk to. Here is Amazon. This is right now an offer. Yeah, maybe yeah, check out the link. Maybe this offer is still active. Then yeah, you can sell on Amazon as well. And yeah, you can read the full page. Here you can see what Salvia is. So Salvia is their own dropshipping service, because they will import all the products for you from China and other sources, and then they store them in their huge warehouse, and then you can yeah, sell them directly from the United States warehouse in this case. And this is of course really good, so then your customers don't have to pay anything extra for the import. How does it work and everything? You can read everything here. So, and yeah, I think this is a really good opportunity to get into the world of dropshipping. And yeah, so if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. You will, I will try to answer all your questions about this. And yeah, maybe you can test it out. And I think in the next video, or I think I will test it out. I will click here on the start button, and I will test it out, and then I will make a video about it, and then I will show you in detail what you get and how the process is. And yeah, why not? It is completely free for 14 days, I think. And yeah, if you don't like it, if there's something wrong, if you don't like the idea, if you're not happy with the store, then you can cancel it, and you don't have to pay for anything. And I think this is a really good opportunity to get into it, to start with the dropshipping model. Like I said, yeah, I will in the next video I will test it out. I will click here, and then I will show you everything in detail, how this works, how the pre-made shop looks like. And yeah, that's it for the video. So you will find all the links in the video description down below. And yeah, so if you found the video informative, if you like what you saw, then please press the thumbs up button. And also, yeah, I would appreciate if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm a new creator, and for me, every subscription, every thumbs up counts. And yeah, that's it for the video. Then thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye guys.